In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Pixel to Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Google tracking set up correctly so you can measure conversions and better understand how visitors are behaving on your store. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar because we're going to use it to quickly find the app we need. From the drop-down options that appear, choose Apps. In the search field that shows up, type Google and YouTube and then press enter on your keyboard. This takes you to the relevant app inside the Shopify App Store. In the search results, locate the official Google and YouTube app. Go ahead and open it, then click to install the app on your store. Shopify will guide you through several installation prompts, such as confirming permissions and selecting the store you want to connect. Just follow each prompt on screen until the installation completes and you're taken into the Google and YouTube app dashboard. Once you're inside the app dashboard, look over to the right-hand sidebar. Near the lower left area of this panel, you'll see a section that mentions setting up Google Ads conversion measurement. Next to that, there are two small arrows pointing left and right. Click the right pointing arrow. This will switch the view and reveal a new option that says something like looking only to set up Google Analytics 4 for your store. Above those arrows, you'll see a Get Started button. Click Get Started to move into the Google Analytics 4 setup for your Shopify store. Now it's time to connect your Google account and your Google Analytics property. Sign in with the Google account you want to use. Then select the appropriate Google Analytics 4 property from the list. You'll also see an option to turn on email updates from the Google and YouTube app and from Google Merchant Center. If you want to receive those emails, leave the box checked. If you'd rather not, simply uncheck it. When everything looks correct, click Confirm at the bottom left and then click Complete Setup at the bottom right to finalize the connection. If you don't have a Google Analytics property yet, you'll need to create one first. Open Google Analytics in your browser and sign in, or create a new account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, look to the bottom left corner of the Google Analytics interface and click the gear icon to open the admin settings. Inside the admin settings, at the top left, you'll see a Create button. Click that and choose Property from the drop-down. You'll now enter your property details, such as a property name and reporting time zone. After filling these in, click Next. On the following screen, add your business details and click Next again. You'll then be asked to choose your business objectives, like measuring leads or online sales. Pick the objectives that best match your store, then click Create. After that, you'll be prompted to add what you want to measure: a website, an Android app, or an iOS app. For a Shopify store, choose the web option. Enter your website URL carefully, making sure it matches your live store address. Then create a descriptive stream name, something like your brand name plus Shopify store, so it's easy to recognize later. When you're done, click Create and Continue at the top right. Once the property and web data stream are created, you can return to the Google and YouTube app in Shopify and select this new Google Analytics 4 property during the setup steps we went through earlier. Confirm your choices, complete the setup, and your Google Pixel tracking through GA4 will now be integrated with your Shopify store.